Some bread in my hand might be quite continental, but diamonds are a Sneedly's best friend. All right, it's time to rock and roll. Rock! Roll!
Please scan your badge for Roll Call Cadets by tapping your badge to the screen. Welcome back, Space Cadets. Mission Control here. Congratulations! You successfully completed your last test. Commanders Zimmy and Zonny shot through the atmosphere at 1200 hours Zulu time and arrived at the International Space Station at 1700 hours. Time since the disappearance of Joyometer? 1 week. Let's relink with our fearless leaders. Mission Control to Schmanet Crew. Come in, Schmanet Crew.
Ooh, microgravity. Strange sensation.
Come in, Schmanet Crew.
Oh, Commander Zimmy to Mission Control. We are officially aboard the International Space Station. All thanks to the wonderful recommendations of the Super Cadets.
Copy that. Any sign of Sneedly and the Joyometer?
No sign of them yet. Funny, the air aboard the ISS is salty and breadcrumby. Breadcrumbs? Salt? Sneedly!
Trace amounts were also detected aboard the ship, Commanders.
Correct! Oh, they must not be very far! Quickly! Follow those breadcrumbs! We cannot advance at a quickened rate! Microgravity!
Try pushing off of something to propel yourself forward, Commanders.
I wonder if this is joyful. It's certainly a strange sensation. Pleasant, I think. Can an activity be joyful? I wonder how this would read on the joyometer.
What is this? Breadcrumbs and salt? Not allowed on board for a reason. What a mess. Oh,
Greetings, Commander Zimmy and Zonny. Here, intergalactic Schmanitonian ambassadors.
oh, the extra special extraterrestrial division. I'm Specialist Apollo. We weren't expecting you aboard the ISS.
Yes, we weren't expecting to be here either. Our joyometer was taken, and we're on a recovery mission.
A joyometer? I don't think I've ever heard of such a thing.
It's our most important tool as intergalactic ambassadors. We use it to find, study, and collect joy sources. Without it, we cannot complete our mission as intergalactic Schmanitonian ambassadors. So, unjoyful.
Unjoyful indeed. Unjoyful, like having the ISS damaged if I can't get these crumbs and granules out of the air stat.
Damaged?
Yes, as a microgravity environment, everything floats. The granules and crumbs are a danger to our crew and to our delicate equipment. Not to mention that they've made a mess and everything must be tidy and clean here always.
Oh, Interesting.
We must clean every day, multiple times a day.
I wonder, does this bring you joy?
You know, no one's ever asked me that. But because it keeps our environment safe and comfortable, I suppose cleaning every day, multiple times a day, does bring me joy.
Enthralling! I wonder how the Joyometer would rate this particular activity. Specialist Apollo, perhaps we could help you and report it into the Joyo's findings later.
Well, I would certainly appreciate the help.
Excellent. Zimmy, I believe the aspirator may be handy. You are correct. Mission Control, initiate the aspirator.
Copy that. Aspirator initiated.
Cleaning complete.
Thank you, Commanders. I wish our onboard vacuums were so colorful.
Glad to help Specialist Apollo. This was oddly satisfying. Oh, Joyometer, where are you when we really need you?
A kiss on the hand may be quite continental.
Sonny, did you hear that? Sneedly, after him!
Good luck!
Wait a minute, Sonny. I think it's important to note that we have just done things that provoke joy. Activities, correct.
But diamonds are Sneedly's best friend. But square, cut, or pear shaped, these rocks don't lose their shape.
Halt!
What?
On behalf of the Extra Special Extraterrestrial Division, we order you to stop what you're doing. What are you doing?
Test Cosmonaut Voskhod of Roscosmos at your service. I am exercising.
Exercising?
Yes, that's correct. The microgravity makes for a weightless environment, but that means our muscles don't work so hard to keep us upright and lose tone quickly. We have to stay fit for our return to Earth.
Fascinating. And if I may, does this activity bring you joy?
If it brings me joy, well, that's an interesting question. Suppose it does, yes. Physiologically speaking, exercise gives you endorphins, and endorphins make you joyful.
Elucidating. Oh, Joyometer. Joyometer! Test Cosmonaut Voskhod. Where did you hear that song you were singing?
A funny-looking astronaut ran past here singing it and gave me this earworm.
Which way did he go?
Towards Veggie.
Veggie?
Yes, it's NASA's Planned Growth Unit.
Hey, that's my hard drive. My research. Come back here, you pesky pirate.
Sneedly! Oh, спасибо and до свидания!
Udachi, good luck!
I wonder if an earworm is a thing of joy. We'll have to ask the Joyometer. Hurry!
I can't believe this. Oh, I hope I have a backup.
Plants. How curious. Unexpected. Oh, Commander Zimmy and Zani of the Extra Special Extraterrestrial Division at your service.
That sneaky pirate. He stole my hard drive. All my research was on there.
He stole your research. He stole our Joyometer. All our joy findings were on it. Which way did he go?
I'm afraid you just missed him. I did manage to snag this from him. I thought it was my hard drive. Here.
Mission Control. Enter Earth shoebox into evidence log.
Repeat after me, Super Cadets. Copy that.
Perhaps this could lead us to Sneedly? We need the data analyzer. Mission Control, launch data analyzer.
Repeat after me, Super Cadets. Copy that. Launching the data analyzer.
Hello, Super Cadets! Your host and helping hand, Data Analyzer here. We're about to datalyze where in the solar system is Sneedly. All right, Super Cadets, put on those datalyzers and use some deductive reasoning skills. Scanning first item. A red spot. Is this A, the Japanese flag? B, an illustration of a red planet? C, a red spot? Or D, all of the above? D, all of the above. Confusing? You bet. Sometimes you need a little more information to narrow down the possibilities. Let's press on. Scanning the second item. A map of the solar system. Which planet or planets are missing from this schematic of the solar system? A, Jupiter. B, Saturn. C, Uranus and Neptune. Or D, all of the above?
My very easy method just speeds up nothing.
D, all of the above. Correct. The map is missing Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, which makes this a map of the inner solar system.
Wait a minute. Does this mean that Sneedly is heading somewhere in the inner solar system or somewhere in the outer solar system?
Well, if out of all of the options we analyzed, the red spot is actually an illustration of a planet, then perhaps...
Which planet has the nickname the Red Planet? A, the Sun. B, Mars. Or C, Venus.
Ooh! Ooh!
B, Mars. Correctamundo. Well done, Super Cadets.
Mars. Does this mean Sneedly's taking the joyometer to Mars?
But why? And why would he have left the portion of the map that he needs? And, well, what about this book? It doesn't fit in. Wait a minute. Dr. Gemini, what research was on your hard drive?
I've been studying the growth of plants aboard the ISS. All of my research is logged on the hard drive. There's also a couple of pictures from my life on Earth and some music, too. Oh, and a recent theoretical paper on diamond rain on Saturn and Jupiter.
Diamonds on Saturn and Jupiter?
Yes, or at least that's what some scientists are theorizing.
Space diamonds! That must be what Sneedly's after!
It does sound like him.
But diamonds are Sneedly's best friend.
So if we put everything together, the red spot, the missing outer solar system map portion, and the book by Galileo Galilei...
Hey, Super Cadets. Let's cross-reference. Which planet has a well-established so-called red spot? A, Jupiter. B, Saturn. Or C, Uranus. A, Jupiter. Jupiter's famous Great Red Spot is in fact a massive storm bigger than the Earth that has raged for hundreds of years.
Jupiter! And according to Dr. Gemini's research, Jupiter is one of the planets on which it might rain diamonds.
And Sneedly must be after diamonds. But what about this book? How does it fit in?
Maybe I can help here. Did you know that Galileo, who is considered the father of modern science, is famous in our field for having identified Jupiter's moons? He spotted them in 1610. It was a discovery that changed the way we understood Earth's place in the solar system.
Jupiter's moons! It all adds up!
Yes, the red spot is Jupiter's great red spot, and Jupiter is in the outer solar system, which is the portion that is missing from this map. And Galileo Galilei, who wrote this book, discovered Jupiter's moons, and
Theoretically, Jupiter is one of the planets on which it might rain diamonds, and there is no doubt Sneedly is after them.
But diamonds are a Sneedly's best friend.
Thank you, Dr. Gemini. Mission Control, deactivate data analyzer.
Deactivating data analyzer.
Great analyzing with you, Super Cadets. Stay smart and stay sharp. See you soon.
Initiate teleport.
Repeat after me, Super Cadets. Copy that.
wait a minute. Why didn't we do this before?
Breadcrumbs. When you rush, you forget important things like Schmanatonian teleportation technology.
Right. Oh, hi, Super Cadets. Welcome back to our ship. Mission Control, prepare for immediate departure.
Departure report ready. Engineering ready.
Super Cadets, we'll need your help to power up our ship. Commencing Super Ship physical key to engage blastoff protocols. Remember now, do exactly as we do. There's no time to lose.
Repeat after me. Copy that.
Rotational router.
Oscillatory operations.
Electrical. Engage engines.
Engines initiated.
Buckle up.
T-minus 30 seconds and counting.
All systems go.
All systems go. T-minus 10 seconds and counting.
Engage thrusters.
Copy that. Thrust engaged. 5, 4, 3,
We're coming for you, Joyometer.
2.
Sneedly won't get away with this. Set course for Jupiter.
Mission control to Supership. Unable to set course. It appears your, intergalactic positioning system is, well, gone.
What? Sneedly. Mission Control.
On it. Super Cadets, you have your assignment. There's no time to lose. Figure out how to get Zimmy and Zonny to Jupiter without their intergalactic positioning system. You'll need to join your project class next to workshop how they can safely navigate to the outer solar system and catch up to that thieving Sneedly. Oh, and a piece of advice from an old veteran: keep your workstations clean. No crumbs or granules of any kind. Stay extra special, cadets. Let's keep this mission under control. Over and out.